You won't believe what Elon Musk just said about Shiba Inu. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Shiba Inu. And of course, guys, we have a lot of news to cover. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first tweet that I wanted to discuss here on the screen, as you can see, Milkshake tweets out real talk. Hashtag or Shib, hashtag whatever. And then Watcher Guru tweets out this. This was in response to this. Fun fact, Shib still has a larger market cap than Robinhood, guys. Listen, I know all of you guys have different opinions about Robinhood. I know some of you guys like Robinhood. I know some of you guys don't like Robinhood. I know that some of you guys think Robinhood would be an amazing catalyst for Shiba Inu. I know some of you guys don't think that either. Let me know in the comments below what your guys' side of the aisle is, whether you think Robinhood will help Shiba Inu or do you think it will not help Shiba Inu. I would love to know, of course, your guys' thoughts down in the comments below. But this is something that's interesting, guys. The fact that Shiba Inu is just as, if not even more, 10 to 20 times more successful as far as market cap is concerned than Robinhood, and still we have not gotten a listing on the platform. Like, this is just funny. Like even the whole entire replies are just clowning on Robinhood because of this, guys. It's only a matter of time, in my opinion. It really is only a matter of time until we see some type of substantial listing of Shiba Inu on the Robinhood platform. Again, that's my opinion. Of course, let me know in the comments below if you guys have a different idea. We have a lot of news to cover today, stuff involving Elon Musk, and of course, everything else in between. If you guys haven't already, though, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. It is literally a free way to get the latest and up-to-date information on Shiba Inu on a daily basis, guys. We are posting news as it breaks and giving you guys the most up-to-date information. So, guys, it's free. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. I think you guys will really enjoy the value that we bring to you guys on a daily basis. Let's get into this news, though. Also follow us on Twitter if you guys want to get access to news there as well, at It's Finance Bro. But here we go. Elon Musk shares his thoughts on Satoshi Nakamoto's identity. Now, what's interesting about this is that not only is Satoshi obviously one of the creators, of course, of Bitcoin, or the creator, I guess I should say, of Bitcoin, but also too, this kind of branches out into the overall anonymous figureheads behind different cryptocurrency projects. One of the best examples of this, of course, is Shiba Inu. Let's read a little bit about this and see. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk denied rumors that addressed him as Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous inventor of Bitcoin. Musk remains one of the most influential personalities supporting the cryptocurrency sector, known to impact the price of Dogecoin via his tweets and, of course, Shiba Inu as well. However, he clarified his stance on the identity. Basically, he just said, "Hey, I'm not Satoshi." Of course, this is interesting though. So this was a tweet. Here's my conversation with Elon Musk. Lex asked great questions. And again, that was one of the questions that was brought up. He also said, you can look at the evolution of ideas before the launch of Bitcoin and see who wrote, about those ideas. Musk said to Freeman, who asked whether it's a feature or a bug, that Nakamoto's identity is still unknown. Musk also had a real reason that led to the evolution of ideas in crypto. He addressed him as someone more responsible for the ideas behind it than anyone else. Obviously, I don't know who created Bitcoin, Musk said. It seems as though Nick Sabolsky is probably more than anybody else responsible for the evolution of those ideas. Now, what's interesting here is that Musk gets on to say he predicts Mars will run on cryptocurrency. However, it wasn't all about Bitcoin. Musk also opened up on the intergalactic potential of cryptocurrency in the podcast. Why SpaceX Doge 1 mission set to put Dogecoin on the moon. Now, this is about Dogecoin. How is this about Shiba Inu? Well, if you look at the previous chart history, if you look every time Dogecoin is mentioned by Elon Musk or by somebody in the SpaceX Tesla camp, anytime there's any kind of news surrounding Elon Musk and the ecosystem that he's built as far as his businesses go, we see a similar run, if not the same exact run, if not more, with Shiba Inu, guys. So Dogecoin is a key factor in this because unfortunately, and I say unfortunately because I'm not a huge Dogecoin fan, Shiba Inu is very directly tied to that currency. It's not directly tied, but it is tied in a way. They're related. They have a relationship in which they run together when there's news about them. And that's what we see with Elon Musk. For instance, this last rally that we experienced just a couple of months ago was purely ignited off of an Elon Musk tweet, guys. There wasn't really much catalyst involved with this huge pump towards the upside that we saw to new all-time highs. A lot of this was Elon Musk literally just tweeting out a picture of his dog, So think about this, guys. Think about this. SpaceX accepts Dogecoin as a payment to launch Doge 1 mission to the moon next year. year. This could be not only for Dogecoin, obviously this would be big for Dogecoin, but think about this. This could be even bigger for Shiba Inu. Let's read a little bit about this. Their whole plan here basically is that the Doge 1 mission to the moon in the first quarter of 2022. So this is happening very, very soon, guys. The first quarter of 2022. Keep that in mind. With the company accepting the meme-inspired cryptocurrency as full payment for the lunar payload. Geometric Energy Corporation announced the Dogecoin funded mission on Sunday, which SpaceX's communication team confirmed in an email. Doge 1 will fly a 40-kilogram cube satellite as a payload on a Falcon 9 rocket, with Geometric Energy Corporation saying its payload will obtain lunar spatial intelligence from sensors and cameras on board with integrated communications. SpaceX Vice President of Commercial Sales said in a statement that Doge 1 will demonstrate the application of cryptocurrency beyond Earth orbit and set the function for interplanetary commerce, guys. So again, the fact that they are getting Doge 1 out there, you don't think that Shiba Inu will probably run as well. That's at least my opinion. Again, let me know in the comments if you guys have a different idea. Always love to read your guys' overall thoughts and opinions, because I think you guys have some really great takes usually in the comments below, and it's always great to see. But again, guys, I think this could be a huge catalyst not only for Dogecoin but for Shiba Inu as well, and it's something that remains to be seen, of course. But it's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. Q1 of 2022. Again, this is very exciting. Way. This is a really interesting Reddit post, guys, and I know I see your comments. I see them every day. Okay, I understand. I see that you are frustrated. You are concerned that Shiba Inu is not moving, right? Despite all this news, despite all of the pressure, despite everything, we're not seeing any movement, and you're wondering why. Why is that? This actually, I think, perfectly illustrates why we're seeing that. But before we get into that, guys, again, make sure to join our private Discord. Again, it is super affordable, and it's the best way to get access to Zach and I's personal buy and sell alerts. We talk about what we're buying in both the stock and crypto markets, and it's a great way to be a part of a community of like-minded individuals who are all on the same path to financial freedom. Again, if you guys want to get signed up there, link down in the description below. Super affordable. All the other groups, guys, are like super expensive. They're like $30, $40, $50 a month. Ours is only $10 a month, guys. That's less than Netflix, and it's a great place where you guys can get access to a community that could potentially really help you out in the crypto and stock market. So if that sounds interesting, link down in the description below. You guys know how it goes. But let's talk about this Reddit post. I think this is really interesting. So one post to stop all of the posts about why Shib isn't moving. Attention. Whoa, that was weird. Why did we go out of there? Okay, here we go. Attention to all new people in crypto that bought Shib to get rich. This post is for you. Many of you ask on an hourly basis, why is Shib down? This is simple. Look at the whole market. If you see BTC had an all-time high that was just under 70K and we are trading at 45K and everything is red, that means the market is bearish. BTC controls the market, and you can like it or not. Dude, why do I keep clicking off of this damn? Okay, I'm gonna stop clicking. Like it or not, that is how it is, and that is how it always has been. Until that changes, all coins will bleed out. They will go lower and lower no matter how much is burned that day. It might get a spike from some news, but the market is bearish and it will sell off. Number two, supply started at 1 quadrillion coins, and if it wasn't for Vitalik, burning with a couple trillion himself, we would be even worse off. We now have roughly 540 trillion in circulation compared to Doge, ADA, XLM, and other coins, which are in the billions, not trillions, and 540 trillion is a massive, massive, massive number. That being said, I think a majority of us are happy with the burn progress over the last month. While it's nowhere near where it needs to be, it's pretty damn impressive. A bunch of people doing this from games and YouTube playlists. I mean, 10 million roughly a day now, just from that is pretty awesome. I'm referring to just what is noted on Twitter by Shib, by the way. I believe he is tracking all of it. Be really awesome if we finish the month averaging 20 million and keep moving forward. All the long-term holders will do very well. As of today, we have 9 businesses that have agreed to use profits to buy and burn the tokens. So what he's saying here is true. It's all true. The overall markets are in a bearish trend, and this is because of Bitcoin. This is because of just the overall movement in market sentiment that's in crypto right now, and the fact that the supply, guys, again, the supply needs to keep burning. This is why burns are so essential to the overall value of Shiba Inu. This is why you see other coins that, of course, have much less of a supply are valued higher than Shiba Inu. And again, yes, it will take a very long time for us to get to 1 cent with the burns, but again, as long as the burns continue to substantiate and continue to grow, I really think that we could see some major progress in that area. And if anything, it makes me really excited for the future of this coin. Again, I think that this guy or this girl, guy, whatever they identify as, I think that they, of course, are very, very spot on with this post. And I think that this is an excellent post that really highlights everything. Again, massive upvotes. It's towards the top of the subreddit. And overall, it's a good take. It's just a good take. And I think that, yeah, it's patience, right? The long-term holders in this case are the ones who are likely going to win out. And this is why I say every video, guys, that I am a long-term holder. I'm not trading Shiba Inu, okay? I am not buying and selling like, you know, in 2 days. I'm not swing trading it. I buy and I hold. I buy on the dips. Let's go to the graph. I'm probably going to buy today, actually. Speaking of that, which, by the way, if you want to see when I buy, you guys need to join our private Discord because I talk about all of my buy and sells in there as well. But again, I'm probably going to buy today now that we're going low. I'm going to check the RSI, make sure I'm getting a good deal on whatever, you know, point that I'm buying at, and I'm going to hold. That's what I've been doing all throughout these price ranges. And yeah, I'm down a little bit. I will admit that I'm down a little bit as far as my overall cost basis goes and as far as my overall position goes. But again, I'm not worried. I'm holding this coin for years until it makes sense to sell, which will probably be in a year or two, or who knows where the price will go at the end of this year. But I think that overall, I'm holding long term. That's my plan. That's what I'm planning on doing. And that's what I think will bring me personal success. Again, you guys can do what you want to do. I know you guys all have, of course, your own ideals and your own thoughts about what's going to work in the market and what's not. And I think it's always interesting to see those either way. Make sure to comment them down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, so you never miss a new video that we post every single day. And of course, join our private Discord. It's super affordable and the best way to get access to Zach and I's buy and sell alerts that we talk about on a daily basis. Lots of exciting stuff happening in the Shiba Inu army, guys. Lots of exciting stuff happening in the overall Shiba community and the cryptocurrency space as well. Again, keep it locked here so you guys don't miss any of it. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.